Monday, January 27th, 2025, 9:30 a.m. New York. The opening bell rings and Nvidia, the most valuable company on earth, starts to fall. Not dip, but fall. By afternoon, it's down 10%, then 12, then 15. Analysts on live TV are using the word panic. And by 4 pm, the closing bell seals it. 17% down. $589 billion erased in 6.5 trading hours. The single largest one-day destruction of value for any company in the history of stock market. Stop right here. Because everything you're watching, the crash, the panic, the headlines, was set in motion 32 days earlier. Not by a scandal, not a product recall, not a war. By a single number sitting quietly inside a technical paper that almost nobody read. A number that, as you're about to see, wasn't even money anyone actually spent. This is the story of the most destructive marketing campaign in history, run by a company with no ads, no PR agency, and no marketing team. Told the way it happened, over 7 days. And there's one sentence buried in that paper that changes everything about this story. I promise, we'll come back to it. But first, let's go to China. The day after Christmas, a company called DeepSeek publishes a technical report for an AI model called V3. Papers like this come out every week. No launch event, no keynote, just a simple PDF. To understand why this PDF becomes a weapon, you need to know who's behind it. DeepSeek isn't a startup with famous investors. It is a side project of a quantitative hedge fund called Highflyer, run by a man called Liang Wenfeng. And Liang is almost a ghost. Barely any interviews, no keynote circuit, no feuds on social media. While American AI CEOs were becoming celebrities, Liang had spent years doing something much quieter, buying graphic cards. Thousands of Nvidia's most powerful GPUs stockpiled before US export controls slammed the door, officially for trading algorithms. In 2023, he pointed that hardware at a new goal, staffed a lab with young researchers fresh out of Chinese universities, and gave it a mission he described bluntly in one of his only interviews. China's AI couldn't keep walking in others' footsteps forever. And now, in this quiet December PDF, his lab makes a claim. The final training run of V3 used about 2,000 of Nvidia's H800 chips, the deliberately weakened export-compliant version, for 2.88 million GPU hours. And then the paper does the math that will shake the world. Assuming a rental price of $2 per GPU hour, total training cost comes up to $5.576 million. Notice the word doing all the work in this sentence, assuming. DeepSeek owned those chips. Nobody wrote a 5.6 million check. The most consequential number in the stock market history wasn't a receipt. It was a thought experiment, an accounting hypothetical. But hold it next to the industry it landed in. OpenAI's GPT-4 reportedly cost over $100 million to train. American AI budgets, measured in hundreds of billions, 5.6 million versus 100 million plus. A ratio so brutal, so clean, so quotable that it didn't need a press release. The comparison was the press release. For 3 weeks, the number just sits there, a landmine in a PDF, waiting. Then comes day 1. Washington, D.C. Inauguration Day. Every camera on Earth is pointed at the Capitol. And on the exact same day, on the other side of the planet, DeepSeek releases R1, a reasoning model that, by its own published results, matches OpenAI's flagship on benchmark after benchmark. And here's the move. They don't sell it. They give it away. Open weights, MIT license, anyone on Earth can download it, run it, rebuild it for free. DeepSeek's claim were checkable. OpenAI's secret spending never was. Open weights turns skeptics into witnesses. Day 1 closes, most of the world still hasn't noticed. Day 2. The White House announces Stargate, a plan to pour up to $500 billion into American AI infrastructure. $100 billion of it immediately. On Tuesday, America declares AI supremacy will cost $500 billion. And sitting on the internet since Monday is a Chinese model claiming frontier performance with a paper implying the training run costs less than a house in Bay Area. Nobody at DeepSeek has to say a word. The two headlines argue with each other in public, in front of everyone. The contrast is the pitch. Was shipping on inauguration week chess or coincidence? Hold that question, it matters later. Now watch the machine DeepSeek didn't have to build. Developers benchmark R1 and post threads. Tech YouTube floods with I ran DeepSeek on my laptop videos. The 5.6 million figure escapes the paper and mutates. First, trained for 5.6 million, then built for 5.6 million, and then the $6 million model that beats OpenAI. Each retelling drops a little more context. Nobody's lying. Well, not exactly. Everyone's rounding in the same direction, toward the better story. And by Sunday, January 26th, the scoreboard makes it official. DeepSeek is the #1 iPhone app in the US and the UK, then Canada, Australia, Singapore, China, leapfrogging from number 31 just 2 days earlier. Above ChatGPT, an app from a company with no marketing department from a country whose apps Washington was actively trying to ban. Marketing spend so far, day 5, 0. Sunday, markets closed, and that's exactly why what happens today is so destructive. A full day of panic with no way to sell. Marc Andreessen, one of the most famous investors in Silicon Valley, a backer of the American AI boom himself, gives it a name that detonates. AI Sputnik movement. Sit with that phrase, Sputnik. The single most alarming metaphor in the American vocabulary. The enemy is ahead and we just found out. DeepSeek didn't write their positioning. Their competitors' own investors wrote it for them. And by Sunday night, every newspaper on earth was repeating it. When your rivals' allies are coining your slogans for free, you haven't done good marketing. You've basically transcended it. Sunday ends, millions of sell orders are queued for the open. 9:30 a.m., the bell. You already know what happens. 17%, $589 billion. The biggest single day loss in market history. And it isn't lonely. Nvidia and Broadcom together shed roughly $800 billion. The Nasdaq drops over 3%. Meanwhile, at the center of the explosion, DeepSeek's Hangzhou office, days from going quiet for Lunar New Year. No victory lap, no press conference, just silence. 7 days, one free model, one number. Now this is naturally where every other video about DeepSeek ends. The crash, the shock, the roll credits. It's actually where the real story begins. Because remember the sentence I promised you? It's time for it. Within days, analysts start pulling the thread. The research firm SemiAnalysis publishes a teardown. DeepSeek's true hardware position, they estimate, is tens of thousands of GPUs, a spend they're confident runs well past $500,000 over the company's history, with fuller estimates topping $1.6 billion. The $5.6 million figure, they argue, is like pointing at one line of a bill of materials and calling it the price of the product. Then it gets uglier. OpenAI tells the Financial Times it has seen some evidence suggesting DeepSeek may have trained partly on the outputs of OpenAI's own models, a technique called distillation. If true, the cheap ride was partly subsidized by the expensive road someone else had already paved. The verdict writes itself. The world was deceived. The number was a lie. Except, here is the sentence that DeepSeek's own paper, published December 26 before any of this happened, note that the aforementioned costs include only the official training of DeepSeek v3, excluding the costs associated with prior research and ablation experiments on architecture, algorithm, or data. It was all there, in plain text, final run only. Not the research, not the failed experiments, not the mountain of GPUs. Even the $2 per hour was labeled as an assumption, not a bill. DeepSeek told the truth. In a sentence the entire world skipped. The media dropped in because 5.6 million versus 100 million plus was the story everyone wanted to be true. Journalists wanted the David and Goliath. Short sellers wanted the panic. China wanted the win. OpenAI's critics wanted the comeuppance. The most powerful distribution network on earth isn't an ad platform. It's what people already want to believe. DeepSeek shaped one irresistible comparison, disclosed it honestly, and got out of the way while the world misled itself. That is the perfect crime. The alibi was printed in advance. So the question I asked you to hold, a hedge fund, an organization whose literal profession is profiting when markets move, releases a free model with a number engineered for headlines on inauguration week, and 6 days later triggers the biggest one-day crash in history. Was it deliberate? A precision strike dressed as a research paper? Here's the honest answer. Nobody actually knows. Liang Wenfeng never said. DeepSeek never explained the timing. There is no evidence High Flyer traded on the crash. None whatsoever. And the silence isn't a hole in the story. It's the final piece of it. Because the vacuum is exactly what kept the world talking. Every theory, every documentary, every video like this one is coverage DeepSeek never paid for and never had to correct. The ghost stayed a ghost. And the ghost got the last word by saying nothing at all. Here are 3 things worth stealing from this story. First, a well-framed number is a marketing asset, not data framing. $5.6 million meant nothing alone. It detonated against $100 million plus and $500 billion. Before your next launch, find the one comparison so clean the press writes itself. Second, giving your product away can be the most aggressive move in the game if every user becomes proof. DeepSeek didn't lose revenue by open sourcing R1. It bought one thing money famously can't: credibility, verified by strangers. Third, and the most dangerous one, the strongest narrative are the ones your audience already wants to believe. DeepSeek handed the world a true fact that fit a dozen pre-existing stories. Put the correction in writing on day 1 and let motivated reasoning do the rest. Truth is the footnote. Rocket fuel is the headline. Nvidia spent 3 decades and hundreds of billions becoming the most valuable company on earth. DeepSeek moved $589 billion of that in 6.5 hours with just a PDF, a license file, and a hypothetical. That's the hidden marketing behind DeepSeek. There's always more hiding in plain sight. So I'll see you in the next one.